Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing. I took the label off, but this is the Lucky Bag. This is just the regular size. I was just by the regular box. There's a regular, or maybe they call it large, I'm not really sure. Regular, extra large, there's a Jeffree Star one where it's just Jeffree Star products. And there is a buy one, gift one option. I just got the regular one, so let's see what's in it. I've watched one video because I couldn't wait because this came a few days ago and I haven't had a chance to film until now. Her box, it was my friend Kat, Fermented Fashion. Her box was not terrible. She got the XL bag though, so I haven't seen anything else. Specifically not looking at videos or the hashtag on Instagram or anything because I wanted to be surprised. I do know that if I get the Oribe dry texture spray again, I'm going to rage. So let's see what's in here. These scissors. So now packaged nicely. I thought it was... my sticker's like way up there. Anyway, the Lucky Bag. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. The paper is really pretty. Okay. Oh, normally everything's wrapped in black paper. But I just opened it and see that it's not. So I'm gonna try to like find the end of the bubble wrap and pull things out one by one. Hold on. Okay, the first thing in here is from Danessa Myricks Beauty. The Dew Wet Balm. Let me pull up the Beautylish website so I can get prices because I don't know what this stuff is. Packaging is plastic. Oh, this is in the color Rose Water. What is this? I mean, it looks like a blush, but there's nothing on the packaging other than the name. Okay, achieve a dewy glass skin glow with this hydrating highlighter balm. This is a highlighter. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm pretty sure I will never use this. This retails for $22. Are there like pictures of it in use? No, not real pictures anyway. Oh, she's a makeup artist. Okay, sorry Danessa, but that is not that side. Even to use that as a blush, I like a matte blush. So. Alright. This feels like eyelashes. Okay, we have the Ardell Natural False Lashes. I didn't know Beautylish sold Ardell. This is kind of a bummer because these are like, $4.20. Then you can purchase literally anywhere, so that's kind of a bummer. Okay, my hope is waning. Alright. It's like weirdly shaped. Okay, this looks like a brush. Oh. Ooh, okay, this is a Sonia G brush. And I've never used a Sonia G brush, but I've heard amazing things. Ooh, it's very soft. I usually get a Wayne Goss brush, which I love. This is called Worker 3. And it looks like kind of like a flat shader or just a general eyeshadow brush. That I'm excited about. Worker 3. How much is this brush? Okay, this is a $32 brush, which I would never purchase, but I will happily use. It's very soft. I've heard amazing things about Sonia G brushes, but it's $32 for one brush, so you can imagine how much a set of brushes is. Oh, it's beautiful. It's got red to black gradient on the handle. It is a beautiful brush. I'm excited about this. let's hope the excitement continues. Okay, hope is restored. Okay, let me try to get this like giant box out of here. What is this? What? Oh, okay. Juno and Co. What? Moonshine Miracle Cream. Alright, Moonshine Miracle Cream. This retails for $35. Made to hydrate and prime skin to perfection. Wear under makeup to create the perfect canvas, or wear it alone to moisturize for naturally glowy, dewy skin. It's supposed to soften, brighten, and minimize pores. That sounds exciting. Formulated with avocado oil and hyaluronic acid to plump and reduce skin's imperfections. It's cruelty-free. It's vegan. The freaking heck! It looks like the box has been sliced open, but it's just, oh, it's just like this super extra unnecessary packaging. Sorry. How do I? Well, I just destroyed the box, so hopefully. My gosh, this is like a freaking. Jeez. It doesn't smell like anything but cream, you know, it doesn't really have a scent, so that's nice. The packaging is weird. Okay, next thing, what is this? Oh gosh. We have this from Stila. This is the Iridescent Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. This retails for $25. I have seen this at TJ Maxx for like $13, so that's cool. But I don't actually have any of these shades. So there's Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish. I prefer brighter colors just because I prefer brighter colors. These aren't the glitter ones. These are the iridescent ones. Well, they say glitter and glow. Okay, next. There's one, awesome, there's more things in here. Let's get this guy. This is from Good Molecules. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Let's see. This retails for $14. The directions, I mean, it's just a toner. So I've actually heard really good things about Good Molecules. Last year we got an eye serum that I haven't finished because it takes me forever to use eye creams and serums. And I was using it for a while, and then I just got distracted and used something else. There wasn't anything wrong with it. It has a nice glass package, suitable for daily use. Formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. But if this smells like licorice, I'm out. I cannot stand the smell of licorice. Ugh. So hopefully it doesn't smell like licorice. But if it doesn't, I will use it. Pretty sure there's just one thing in here and it feels chunky. This kind of annoys me. I'm gonna tell you why. I specifically didn't purchase the Jeffree Star bag. I'm just like a little annoyed by this. First of all, the packaging is huge. I'm not a fan of bulky palettes. I do love the blues, and this color palette isn't the issue. I'm just like not a fan of Jeffree Star. The reason this is annoying is I didn't buy the Jeffree Star bag, so in my way of thinking, there shouldn't be Jeffree Star products in all of the bags and the Jeffree Star bag. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I gotta be honest, this year's bag was by far my least favorite. I will use you know, some of the things, but I'm kind of annoyed that Ardell lashes are in there anyway. Not that there's anything wrong with drugstore or affordable products. That's not what I'm saying. I'm a drugstore girl. But this is a high-end bag. I know there has to be lower pricing for you know, kind of like filler products, to be honest. I just really, I don't know. At this point, like this bag, if this were my first Lucky bag, I would not purchase another one. I know what the bags can be, and this just seems kind of disappointing. The retail value of everything in this bag is $186.20. I'm excited about the brush. I'll use the toner. The eyelashes, I mean, I don't wear false eyelashes at all, so that's fine. And yeah. Did you guys get a Lucky bag? What did you get in your bag? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.